The Cardinal King here reporting in, and we've got 4 blisters of Brothers of Legend. We're looking to get a full playset of the Kuriboh brothers here, so join me on this wonderful journey of opening these blister packs. Here we go. Pack number 1. Yeah, these blister packs are much harder to open than I remember. Not that I had much experience opening them anyways, right? But ooh, and these are already kind of scuffed on the back side here. I don't know if you can see that right there. Bad QA. Ooh, man, we got a good first card. Puree's map. Awesome. Next card. We're actually looking for some fossil digs in here. Kuriboh. Urabura Sage. Intrepid Kaiju Slumber. And our final card is a Infernoid Decatron. So I'm kind of happy with that pull already. That Puree's is a pretty sought after card. It's really good. Be helpful in building some decks. On to the second box. Don't forget that the Kuriboh brothers are for life. Man, I think I botched this up, guys. Here we go. So in reality, we are after the forbidden droplets. I don't think we're gonna pull it out of 4 packs though. So I'm already happy with the Purees as is. Got these guys on discount, so not losing much here. Well, this time we're not gonna pull out the last card first. So we're doing the Thought Ruler Archfiend, Kuriboh. Nice first Kuriboh brother we've pulled. The Beatrice, which is a card I needed. Awesome pull. Infernoid Decatron. And the Altergeist Memory Grant. Super shiny. Shiny boy there. Cool. Next blister pack. If you guys bought any Brothers of Legend, let me know what you pulled. See if anyone pulled a forbidden droplet here. Alright, next pack. So we've got Void Feast. Oh, we've got that cool art Kuriboh. Look at that. That's awesome. As you all know, I'm a big Kuriboh fan. It does have some print lines running through it. I don't know if I move it around, you can see that. It's always kind of disappointing on a holo, but it is what it is, right? It's got Dr. D. I think should be my new nickname. We've got Detonate. And we've got Altergeist Fidgelert. Fidgelert indeed. Next pack. Next and final pack, I should say. Yeah, these blisters not my preferred method of opening packs here, but what can we do, yeah? All right, let's do it. And we got an Edios, the Underworld Squire. Great for Monarchs. Hidden Fangs of Revenge, which is a cool card with the Goblin of Greed on there. Rank Up Magic Argent Chaos Force. These are kind of sticky. We've got the Galdora, the Mystery Dust Kaiju, which is an awesome card to have. Great little tech in there to put in a side deck. And our last card is ZS Utopic Sage. So not bad pulls. I think the Purees map definitely makes it worth it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like and do all that goofy stuff that YouTubers tell you to do. And we're going to be having a little bit more Master Duels gameplay later on this week. So really appreciate you guys watching. Bye!